If you are a teacher who does not implement literacy strategies in your classroom, chances are you may look like this: a plain and sad cupcake. Visual arts is a complex world that involves a multitude of terms, ideas, and perspectives. In order to be able to effectively analyze and create works of art, students must be literate in the very basics, the elements and principles of design. Every piece of art is created using a variety of elements and principles. These are the core building blocks that must be understood. Next, art can be created from almost anything. What art is created out of is called a medium. Some mediums have very strange names, and some mediums are very old and not often used in the current day. Being educated on art mediums helps you to understand the context of the works you are analyzing. A medium can tell you the probable time period, the movement, and possibly even narrow down the artists. An excellent way to incorporate literacy into my art class is to introduce a new concept every few days. I think it is important to start with the basic building blocks. Introducing students to the basics will allow them to build upon their learned understandings in a way that scaffolds their learning. A great way to learn new concepts in an art class is to use a Frere model. This is a graphic organizer that allows students to become familiar with new terms while organizing the different aspects of a topic in a way that furthers their understanding. To effectively get students thinking about these concepts throughout the duration of the course, it is also beneficial to complete quick writes every so often. This allows students to scrape up every bit of knowledge they possess on a topic, and to dump it all on a single sheet of paper with no rules. Using writing to learn strategies allows your students to become immersed in the content in an effective way. Allowing a space for these activities in your classroom prepares your students to see the material through a disciplinary lens. Not only does this benefit your students, but you become the cupcake with the icing and sprinkles.